Hey guys, it's Jordanbikes. Look at this green monster, ZX6R Ninja. Beautiful bike these, and it is absolutely mint. It's only done 6,658 miles. It's 2012 on a 12 plate. Look at it, it's really nice condition. Cameraman can come up in a second. It's got the shower forks, all-in steering damper, tinted screen on there. Like I say, hardly any miles. It's also got seat cowl, little tail tidy on there, and an Acra exhaust in it, which sounds spot on. I'll give it a fire up for you. And that is with the baffle in, so yeah, it'll sound a lot nicer with that out. Come down and see us at Jordanbikes, give us a call, drop us an email. We do finance, we take cash, and we love a part exchange. See you soon guys, cheers.